Hello everyone, today we would like to demonstrate how you can add your email to the iPhone 14 series device. So first of all, you gotta launch settings, then enter the mail category, so find the dedicated mail app. Let me do it real quick. Here it is, at the very top basically. And in here, go for the account section, add account, choose what mail-in service you would like to add the account of. I'll go with very obvious decision of adding the Gmail account. In here, simply enter the credentials, therefore login and password of the email box that you would like to add. So I'll do just that. Then I'll enter the password of the screen real quick. Alrighty. Then just choose whether you, let me just change the language real quick. Choose what, whether you agree with the access that the iOS will grant, the permissions that iOS will grant in terms of the permissions to your Gmail account or Google Data, for example. In my case, if you were to add the inbox of some other mailing provider, you might see different conditions, but anyways, gotta allow or cancel. I'll allow, and just like that, the Gmail account has been successfully added. Just tap on the save button, and as you can see right now, we'll have the two accounts. One is iCloud and one is Gmail. Alrighty, so that will be pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for your attention, and bye-bye.